Welcome GPAT aspirants. Today I am going to discuss a small steps plans to be a GPAT qualified student. See, to achieving something big, the small steps are the starting process of the planning or executing or to getting success. Small steps are very important. You don't know how much importance that small steps you take for each day have. Lot of importance that small steps have, and that small steps can change your life, can change your way to look towards life. Small steps are very important. So for achieving something big, you have to start from something small steps, but do it properly, do it honestly, do it dedicatedly, and do it perfectly. Then and then your way of qualifying GPAT or your way of preparing GPAT is become easier and happier. This process is not a nervous process I want to make. Okay, you enjoy learning, and through that enjoyment you can able to achieve what you want to achieve. That's my motto and that's my objective behind starting these classes. So for a GPAT preparation, averagely in our hand 6 months is there. How much? 6 months. 6 months means you have 180 days in hand. 180 days in hand. So we have to prepare for each day. That is your small step. You have to set the work for each day. Plan for today. How much chapter you are going to read, how much MCQs you are going to solve, how much numericals you want to see for that day. Planning likewise. How much topic you read, how much MCQ you solve, and how much numerical MCQs you watch or you read, and analyze that whole day. Next process is what? Analyze. That is small step. See, at the start of this process, this achieving this is going to be more difficult, because nowadays we are become very lazy. So many distractions are there in the form of mobile, social media apps, WhatsApp, Insta, Facebook. That's why you can't do what we want to do. But you have to be disciplined. Discipline is best key to achieve anything. Discipline is the best key to achieve anything. See, in your success or anybody's success, the motivation and inspiration have the contribution is of only 1%, not more than this. But discipline have 99% contribution in their success. So discipline is very important. So be disciplined. No matter what are problems you have, how much distractions are there, you have to do what you want to do for today or what you plan to do for today. That means discipline. No matter how much you tired, how much you lazy are, how much you don't want to study, but discipline is a key to bring out you and open a book, read what you plan for today, analyze that. So that discipline have the major roles in your success. So be disciplined. First thing you have to acquire, or first habit you have to develop is be disciplined. Which habit? Be disciplined. See, motivation, inspirations are such things. If you watch any motivation video, after that you are going to be energetic, you feel energetic, you feel motivated, your thought process is very fast and energetic, and your confidence level is very high. But after 2 to 3 days, that motivation is gone. and you can't able to do what you plan, what you think. So discipline is a major key, so be disciplined. Next thing is that plan for each day. I already tell you that plan for each day and execute that plan. Do what you plan for today and do it properly, honestly, perfectly. And that is happen when you be a disciplined. Discipline is a very biggest key and very important key to achieve anything. Next thing is that, say, in the path of or in the process of this, I am with you. I am going to solve your all doubts. No matter how are the what are your problems, I am going to discuss all things. And each day I provided you a lecture on each topic. I conduct a test on each topic, and major thing is that I do one-to-one conversation on Sunday to evaluate progress of each student. I am going to do a Sunday a conversation, one-to-one conversation. So be disciplined. Discipline is very big key. So in upcoming 2 to 3 days, you have to develop habit of discipline. So according to you, according to your potential, just plan for one day what are you going to do and do it with 100% discipline, 100% dedication. So no matter how much distractions, how much you lazy are, how you feel, just do that. Just do that. So once the habit of be disciplined developed, no one going to stop you. You become unstoppable. So motivation, inspirations are not that much important thing, but discipline is very important. Be disciplined. Thank you. For more details you can contact me. What is the process of the admission and another things I am going to tell you. So for more details you can contact me by messaging on my WhatsApp and by joining my WhatsApp group of GPAT aspirants. Thank you one and all.